Function is given as fx is equal to negative x square plus 6x minus 5. The first question is to find the point A. To determine the point A is the y-intercept. Put x equal to 0 in the equation minus x square plus 6x minus 5. We get the value of y equal to negative 5. Therefore, the coordinates of the point A is 0, comma negative 5. The second question is to find out the axis of symmetry. The axis of symmetry can be found out by the equation x is equal to minus b by 2a, where b and a are the coefficients of x and x square respectively. Put the values of b and a, we get the value of x to be equal to 3 as the equation of symmetry. To determine the coordinates of point B, we put y equal to negative 5 in the equation y is equal to negative x square plus 6x minus 5. After putting that and evaluating, we get the value of x square is equal to 6x, or x will be equal to 6. Therefore, the coordinates of the point B are 6, comma negative 5. The sub-question D, the coordinates of the maximum point P, we already found out the x value for the maximum point P to be equal to 3. Put the value of x equal to 3 in the equation y is equal to negative x square plus 6x minus 5. Evaluate it, you get the value of y to be equal to 4. Hence, the coordinates of the point P is 3, 4. Function is given as f of x is equal to ax square plus 8x plus c. In this function, the coefficient of x square a is unknown and the y-intercept c is also unknown. The first question to find the value of c. C is the y-intercept. Seeing from the diagram, the value of c, the y-intercept will be equal to 6. Further to that, to find the value of points M, that is the coordinate of the axis of symmetry, we can use the equation m is equal to minus b by 2a. But we do not know the value of a. Hence, it is easier to find by the midpoint formula. So the point m will be equal to x1 plus x2 divided by 2. The value of m comes out to be equal to negative 2. Find the value of m, we use the equation of axis of symmetry, that is m is equal to minus b by 2a. We have already found the value of m to be equal to negative 2. Substitute in the above equation for values of b, we get the value of a equal to 2. The d subsection which is given here, we have to find the value of n. Since we found out the value of m, we put the value of m, that is x is equal to negative 2 in the equation y is equal to 2x square plus 8x plus 6. We evaluate it and we get the value of n to be equal to negative 2. Question, the quadratic function f of x is given as a into bracket x minus h multiplied by x minus k, and h is less than k, and point P is minimum point of the graph. We have to calculate the value of h and k. If you observe the graph, it intersects the x-axis at 2 points 1 and 5. Therefore, x minus h multiplied by x minus k should be equal to 0. That is, x minus h should be equal to 0, which means that x should be equal to h. Also, x should be equal to k. Since h is less than k, the value of h will be equal to 1 and k will be equal to 5. The value of a, we put the value of y, the intercept equal to 15 in the above equation with the values of h and k, and we get the value of a to be equal to 3. To determine the axis of symmetry, we normally use the equation x is equal to negative b by 2a. But here it is the x1 and x2 values are given, the intercepts of the on the x-axis. Therefore, we can use the midpoint formula x is equal to x1 plus x2 divided by 2. And we get the equation for axis of symmetry to be x equal to 3. To determine the coordinates of point P, we have already found out the value of x equal to 3 for the coordinate P. Put the value of x equal to 3 in the above equation and evaluate for y, you get the value of y to be negative 12. Hence the coordinates of the point P comes out to be 3 minus 12. Question: a rectangular plot is given whose length and breadths are given. The area of the plot is also given. We have to find the value of x by formulating a particular given equation. And also we have to find out the length EF where the footpath has been laid and whether it is feasible to build it within the budget of RM 1000. We have to form the expression for the area of the rectangle. So area of the rectangle is equal to length into breadth. The length is x plus 12 and the breadth is x plus 15. So when you multiply both these quantities, we get the area A equal to x square plus 27x plus 180. Also in the section 2, that is B part, the area of the rectangle is given to be 460 meters square. We have to find the value of x. So we put the value of 460 meters square in the above equation and evaluate the value of x, that comes out to be equal to positive 8 and negative 35. Since length cannot be negative 35, the length x will be equal to 8. To find the length EF as shown in the diagram, it is the hypotenuse of the triangle EFD. So by applying the hypotenuse theorem, we get the value of length EF to be equal to square root of x square plus 15 square. Since we have already found out the value of x to be equal to 8, we evaluate the value of EF to be equal to 17. The total cost of the footpath will be 17 meters multiplied by 50 per meter is the cost, and the total cost comes out to be equal to RM 850, which is lesser than the budget RM 1000. So therefore the conclusion is that Ayman has enough budget.